Hey everyone, we're out here next to Flagstaff in the
Coconino National Forest.
Coconino National Forest. We're out here to try to find some aspen colors and some fall colors and just take some photographs and get up here in the timber where it's nice and cool today.
Yes, we've got our meetup group coming, so we've got about 10 to 15 friends joining us in Flagstaff on Hart Prairie Road to capture the fall colors and to enjoy this cooler weather. So we just want to bring you along with us on our little journey.
Yeah, it's great to get out of the desert and get up here in the timber. So come enjoy the timber with us and enjoy the pictures that we capture. I hope you like them.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I feel that elevation kicking in. What are we at, like 8,000?
Yeah, it was around 8,000, almost 9.
We're on a small uphill.
Small uphills make us breathe heavy, but what a beautiful time we had out here.
Yeah, absolutely. We had such a beautiful day here in Flagstaff taking pictures of the fall colors. We got so lucky. We got some beautiful colors, beautiful scenery.
Yeah, I think we hit it right in the middle. There's some trees that have lost their leaves, but there were some trees that had some. So like Mary said, we got lucky this year that we actually got to see some aspen color, which is always so beautiful.
Yeah, and we had weather in the 60s, which coming from a very long, hot Phoenix summer, it was one of the best parts of the day.
Yeah, it has been a long, hot summer down in the valley. But up here in northern Arizona, it's just beautiful. So we're enjoying it. We're wrapping things up. We're about to get on the road, find our way down the 17 and get home. But we're glad you guys came along. I hope you enjoyed what we shared.
And as we're always, remember that our pictures are available on forloveandcraft.com. If you'd like to purchase one of our prints, the proceeds do go to help the hungry. So we would love if you checked out the gallery.
Yeah. And until next time, get out there and explore,
create, and do good. Bye.
Bye.
side where